So just throwing this out there, I have never used a green screen until I came up with this conjured idea that we're gonna do a talk show type of thing. This has been a bad idea so far because still trying to figure it out. But welcome back to Drone Buzz episode number 2. Hopefully I don't look like I'm disappearing from, I don't know, like what you would find in Avengers, because this is take 44. What's good, everybody? Ken Dono here, and I'm the host of Drone Buzz. And if you're not familiar with the format, we do fast-paced news segments all about drones, so you can get all the information you need to know in under 5 minutes. So let's get right into this week's topics. So yesterday at the FAA headquarters, that's pronounced FAQ, just kidding, it's FAA HQ. Come on, lighten up. Take your head out of the gutter. Anyways, there was a protest there to protest the NPRM that's going to be ending, well, not ending, the comment period will be ending on March 2nd, and then the long await to figure out what the FAA is going to actually do. But there was a protest there where several hundred hobbyist pilots, RC pilots, FPV flyers showed up, voiced their concern. They had pickets. They had a stage where they had mics set up to basically talk about what this hobby means to them and what the NPRM is going to do to the hobby if it proceeds in the current manner that it was proposed. So if you haven't already, March 2nd is the cutoff date to go ahead and voice your opinions, comments, concerns. Links in the description below. I'm done talking about it at this point. If you haven't done your due diligence, please do so now. Alrighty, in lighter news, Japan is using drones underground to inspect their metro railway systems. There's about 121 miles of this railway system beneath Japan. Previous to using drones, they used to have to send crews down there, set up scaffolds, and basically it would take weeks on end to just inspect a mile or so of this railway system. Now with drones, they are able to capture high resolution images of the railway and any potential repairs that it may need. This is actually absolutely incredible and pretty genius that they are doing this. I don't know why they haven't done this before, but they have custom designed drones with cages that basically look like a giant, BB-8, but it flies. Anyways, that cage is designed to basically accommodate the drone should it hit any structures, so it can basically keep on with its mission. It's pretty incredible. There's a full story that I'll be sure to link below, along with video of these drones flying. And Digital Trends was the first to report on this. I think it's pretty much an interesting way you can use a drone and not actually be in the air. You're below. You're like the Shredder. Or is it Splinter? I don't know. I can't remember. It's Ninja Turtles crap. Next story. Topic that is always a little bit iffy to touch on, but the virus has finally made its way to the States. Nowhere near the capacity that it is in China, but many people keep asking, where are the new drones? Where are the new products? Well, the factories have yet to go back to work in the capacity that they were in previous to getting hit with the coronavirus. So it's going to be many, many weeks before we see most of these companies start gaining speed and get back to where it was prior to this virus. So far, DJI has limped back into the factories, but nowhere near the speed or the volume that it was prior. And Autel is definitely affected by this as well, because their products are manufactured overseas. If you didn't see that, I just literally spit on this table. That was pretty cool. Moving on. And then lastly, what we want to propose to you is that if you like this content, be sure to make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. But I want to do something pretty interesting with this show, which is a channel of the week. Yeah. Tell us what channel we need to watch and why we should watch them. Comment down below, and then we will feature them on each episode a week. Basically, they have to be, here's the rule of this, they have to be surrounding around drones. Okay, so if you think it's a cool channel that we should look at, we will definitely take a look at it. It's got to be about drones only, sorry. That's the caveat. And in this week's episode, I want to talk about Idaho Quadcopter. If you don't know who Marcus Crawford is, Marcus does some incredible work around drones. If it flies, he's buying it. I don't know how he's not divorced yet. He's bought so many drones. His wife should be making him sleep on the couch. But Marcus reviews everything from the Xeno 2 all the way up to DJI higher end products to toy drones, and he does real world reviews. And what I mean by that, they're very long and detailed. And that's what people want when they are buying something. They want to know that the average Joe is given their opinion, and there's no greater average Joe than Marcus. Alrighty, so there you go. That's the news for this week. We'll be back again next Sunday with another episode. Like I said, we may do more episodes if we see that we have news for it, but obviously with the drone scene, it's not very bountiful right now, obviously with the virus going on and not too many new products. But as things pop up, we will inform you. So be sure that you're already subscribed to Half Chrome Drones. And if you haven't subscribed to Original Dobo, you should totally subscribe to him because he's a cool guy too. Shameless plug. It's fine. I'm not getting paid to do this, so I can totally plug myself. Anyways, thank you so much, and we'll see you next time on the Drone Buzz.